Yeah, on October 14, I will celebrate my Freedom Day. Yeah, my husband left me October 14, 2024. What the F? Okay. Oh, one more. Ang gwapo naman ito ni Kuya. Mukhang artista ng Pilipino. Ano? Come. Come, baby, come. Come, Papa, come. Up, Papa, up. Tatapos ka ang video. Ilang pag-gig niya ang phone mo? Pulang kayo ka pala ng video ka na eh. May sariling mundo eh. Oh, you can do it. Yeah. All right. Okay. What's your name, sir?
I forgot.
Ano ka nasa mo? Matt? Oh, what a Matt? Ang sakit naman ito mo. And you, sir, what's your name?
I'm Ray.
Oh, ganda ng boses niya. Oh, makakatalo ah. Makakatalo daw ng Pilipino rito. What's your name, sir?
Derek.
I'm Messi. There. And you, sir, what's your name?
Jason.
Oh, Jason. Okay. This is a very simple dance. Sample, please. Me first, and you first, and you. Pakilasa yan. 4 na yun. See? Okay. But the difference, we are side by side. From the front, like this. Ungger. Dami ungger. Hindi. Frontal. Yes. Frontal. The letter at the back. Injection. Kaya niya natutuwa ako sa inyo. Okay, sige. Go. Ungger. Frontal. Dami ungger. Okay. Good. Ayan, okay. Okay. Siya muna! We will choose, it depends on their clapping. If the clap is hard, you will win $5. If the clap is soft, you will win $2 only. Okay? So it's your turn, baby. You got it, baby. Ano na boss? Ang sarap nila kausapin, no? What's up, baby? I'm your girl. Okay, ma. How are you doing?
Great.
Oh, you have a very nice voice. Nasa si Ate. Nasa ni Johan niya. Nasaan? Si Ate Holing. Mukhang happy na dito eh. Ang laki ng boses eh. Mukhang ano to. Ang ate, sese, pero bibig mo. Ang laki ng tao yate. Ungger? Yung ungger mo, ganun talaga. Parang kakainin mo na siya eh. Okay, let's go, baby. Daming ka. Ungger. 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 Ano ungger? Ungger. Tinay ako. Kapatalo ha. Nandiyan ba asawa mo? Nasaan? Ay, mukhang mabait yung asawa mo. Buti na lang mukha kang mabait. Ayoko nang maging kabit. Buka ko eh, no? Pwede eh. O, ayun na. Sabi niya, paano ba? Nakadalawa na ha? Nakadalawa. Dami yung good. Ungger? Ungger. Ungger? Paano pa frontal? Dami yung good. Ungger? Pwede? Ganun lang. O, sige lang mga dami yung good. Ang soft! Ang soft gumalaw, ganun lang. Hindi aabot yun, pag ganun lang. Bakit medyo hard? Oo. Abot ba? Abot? Tinuturo. Ay, mahaba. Okay, pwede ko tayo. Kaya alam, soft lang. Baka nga isa ganun. Dami yung good. Isa lang, tapos ka na eh. Okay na. Ego? Patay ka sa akin mamaya, parang gano'n. Pinapakita niyo sa buong Arizona eh. Okay. Sir? Kasi sa bago ito nakakatakot eh. Jowa mo ba ito? Ano nakakatakot? Baka mahigpit. I'm telling her, oh, I'm afraid of you because I think you're very strict. Yeah. And see, she's laughing just like this. Unlike her. Big difference, right? So let's see if you're really very strict. I'm not very composer, so please be gentle. Okay. Alright? Music, please.
Hello, sister.
Ano yung jowa mo? Parang may pagka-cartoons ang dating. Alam mo yung mga sexual cartoons, gano'n. Yung papanood mo, yung parang sa Japan mo, gano'n siya. Very good, very good. Ito. Hindi ko ito makakalimutan. Pinilo ako. Okay, let's clap our hands for our competitors. Of course, our first one, the formal guy. Let's clap our hands. Our second contestant, the Nick. The third contestant. And the fourth contestant. Okay, 5, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Bibigyan niyo ng pera. Bibigyan ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Okay? Sit down. You're running the boat. Come on. Let's move. Ako yung jowa mo. Kasi ikaw parang ang, ano mo na, ang baget, ganyan. Eh, mamaya pag inano ka na, parang ganyan. Daddy! Nalilitin nyo lang parang ganyan yung ano, yung mga acting mo eh, no? Hindi yung parang talaga ako, gusto mo ba ngayon? Oh, sige, ikaw. Ito parang gano'n